Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Jocelyn's World. Today me and Jude are going to be playing Fortnite together. So yeah, let's get started. I'm on a roller coaster. At Disney World. I'm swimming in the ocean water.
Alright, so I just got finished with shooting this promo. Me and Joss were having some fun on this green screen earlier. I hope you guys appreciated that. But check this dude out. Anyway, today we are organizing this office a little bit more. Right now it's in kind of disarray again because I was doing a little promo for some masks that are being produced by a local company here called Alliston's. I'll leave a link to their website if you want one of these, because these are pretty insane. They've got these adjustable strips, and when you put them on your face, they form to your nose right there. So if you've got glasses like me, you can kind of make adjustments to where it doesn't fog up as much. I haven't tried them out just yet because I just finished the promo and I didn't want to get any of these that I'm filming dirty. So I'll try some of those out and see how they work. Oh, also I got an office chair, so we're gonna build that. Let's go see what the family's doing since we're finished in here. What are you doing?
I'm a kitty cat.
What are you doing?
Watching the tablet.
We'll be taking that chair in and organizing the office. Let's go clean up. This is actually super breathable, and my glasses haven't fogged up once since I put this mask on. Just breathing normally too. Usually I have to try to breathe slow when I put a mask on and stuff. This one's pretty comfortable. I'm liking the blackout look too. Maybe an AJ Williams logo like right there. So I don't know how many of you guys saw my last video where I was unboxing a bunch of different stuff. Well, one of the things that I unboxed was this new microphone, and I'm using it now. I changed some of the settings in my camera so that I could turn up the gain on the microphone. And I'm sorry if any of the clips in the last one were distorted, but I don't know if I'll be able to fix it or not, because this microphone has two audio recordings that you can do. It's got a higher one and a low. It's got a higher setting and a lower setting, so I may be able to actually save some of that. I listened back to the clips that I just recorded and they were just super distorted. And I'll play those for you now. Me and Joss were having some fun on this green screen earlier. I hope you guys appreciated that. And now I'll play the safe channel. Me and Joss were having some fun on this green screen earlier. I hope you guys appreciated that. What'd you guys think? I don't know because I haven't actually heard it, so. Alright, so I'm done cleaning up the office now, as well, just kind of straightening up anyway. What I'm gonna do now is actually, I'm gonna put up these sound panels, and these are actually the cheap sound panels that you get from Amazon. So I'm going to try to beef them up just a little bit because they're not very good just by themselves. But what I did was I went to Home Depot and just got some Foamular. And this, what it is foam insulation. And it's not the plexiglass insulation that you normally get that gets all over your hands. It's still made of plexiglass, but this is put together in a foam-like board. These boards are 2x2. The only thing is, these are pink. So I'm going to spray paint it black. I should fix that. That's better. Have fun with that green screen that we just did. Let's move on. Spray paint. So I just finished painting, but I had this whole overhead rig with my iPhone. It's not a GorillaPod, but it's a knockoff GorillaPod, and it works okay for the phone and for GoPros and stuff, but I would not recommend it for the camera. I had it mounted up there for like a top-down time-lapse thing, and when I was mounting it, I hit one of the volume buttons, and the volume button actually started the time lapse, and I didn't know it. So when I went to hit record, I actually turned it off, and I'm not gonna go back up there and set it back up. Also guys, sorry about the mess. This is what happens when you've got 3 kids and they've been home all the time for weeks, months even, and you have to entertain out in the backyard. You know, still think this was a good idea. Classic example of a great idea with poor execution. But you know what? The idea still stands, and I think I'll try it again at some point. Just not today. Trying to find out what the weather looks like. Well, it doesn't say it's supposed to rain, but it looked like scattered showers right there, so it's not saying it's gonna rain, but there's probably a chance. Should I run? I think I will. So, I haven't forgotten about the mile per hundreds challenge. I already ran 2 miles when I reached 200 subscribers. 3 when I reached 300. So I'll run 4 miles when I reach 400 subscribers. So if you want to make me run 4 miles, hit that subscribe button. Run went good. No rain. Now back to putting these sound panels together. Does it totally negate the run? Or did I do the run for the reward? I don't know. That paint looks pretty good, so I'm impressed. It's just plain old Rust-Oleum flat black. Highly recommended. I've got this double-sided tape, and I'm just gonna put that on the back of these foam pieces, lay these on here in this kind of pattern. Now the pattern that you choose actually does have an effect on the sound, but it's very minimal. So really the pattern doesn't matter that much in a small space. That camera up there is focusing a lot. I'm tempted to just put it in manual focus. I'm gonna put it in manual focus. So I've got Velcro here that I'm just gonna stick to the back of these boards, which will allow me to put them on the wall and not have to worry about them coming off. And it will also allow me to take them off whenever I want, so that I can use them in other places when I go do setups and everything. Also, you might be wondering why I painted this side black and I'm putting these black things on top of the black already. Why didn't I just put them on this purple side? It's because when you put these close to each other, it's actually really easy for you to miss the gap in between right there, and that color shines out. So I wanted it to be black so that if I missed a spot or if I didn't butt them up close enough, then I don't get that pink color coming through. So I went ahead and painted both sides and make sure to get that edge right there. Super important, because that edge will show when you've got these on the wall. You know it works when you hold it up to your ear and you don't hear what's behind it. Kind of everything just goes dead. I just finished making all of these panels. I decided against making the one for the window that I was talking about earlier, because that would just take too long for this video, and I actually still have some left over. So I'm gonna find a place to put these. It took a lot longer to do that than I expected. Still have a chair to put in here. So not even lying, I am pretty exhausted after putting together those sound panels. And honestly, I wish there was just some kind of way I could just like wow, that worked. that is it. I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. Look, if you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about photography and videography. This is probably gonna be the last video in the office build out series. If I ever move or something like that, then I might do another office build out. This has been fun though. I'm kind of sad that it's coming to an end. This is it's come a long way. Yeah, let me know what you thought of this. Let me know what you thought of the office build out series in the comments below. Anyway, that's it for this one. We'll see you guys next time.